Welcome to our microlearning channel. When people think about investing, they usually focus on profits. Everyone wants to know which stock will grow the fastest or which investment will deliver the biggest returns. But experienced investors understand something very important. Successful investing isn't just about making money, it's also about managing risk. Today, I want to talk about the role of risk management in investing and why it's one of the most important parts of building a strong financial strategy. Every investment carries some level of risk. Markets can rise, but they can also fall. Companies can perform well one year and struggle the next. Because of this uncertainty, investors need a plan to protect their capital while still aiming for growth. The first step in risk management is identifying potential risks. This means understanding what could go wrong with an investment. It might be market volatility, economic changes, industry competition, or company-specific issues. Recognizing these risks early helps investors make more informed decisions. Once risks are identified, the next step is assessing them. Not all risks are equal. Some investments may carry higher potential rewards but also higher chances of loss. Others might offer slower but more stable growth. Evaluating the level of risk helps investors decide whether an opportunity fits their financial goals and risk tolerance. One of the most common strategies for managing risk is diversification. Instead of putting all your money into one investment, you spread it across different assets, such as stocks, bonds, or other financial instruments. This way, if one investment performs poorly, others may help balance the overall performance of the portfolio. Another important approach is setting clear investment strategies and limits. For example, investors may decide in advance how much loss they are willing to accept on a particular investment. This helps prevent emotional decisions during market fluctuations. Monitoring investments regularly is also essential. Financial markets change constantly, and a strategy that worked well last year may need adjustments today. By reviewing performance and staying informed about market conditions, investors can respond to new risks as they arise. Risk management doesn't eliminate uncertainty, but it helps control it. Instead of reacting emotionally to market swings, investors who practice good risk management rely on structured strategies and careful planning. In the long run, successful investing isn't just about chasing high returns. It's about balancing opportunity with protection. And that's exactly why risk management plays such a critical role in building sustainable and resilient investment portfolios. Thanks for microlearning with us.